Bhagavad Gita, Chapter 1, Shlokas from 1 to 5. What is the Bhagavad Gita? The Bhagavad Gita is a spiritual, philosophical, and moral discourse given by Lord Krishna to Arjuna on the battlefield of Kurukshetra. It is a part of the epic Mahabharata, delivered just before the Great War began. Why did the Kurukshetra war happen? The Kurukshetra war was fought between the Pandavas and the Kauravas. But it wasn't just a war over land, it was a war between righteousness, dharma, and unrighteousness, adharma. Main reasons: rightful claim to the throne. Even though the Pandavas had the rightful claim to the Hastinapura kingdom, Dhritarashtra wanted his son Duryodhan to be king. Duryodhan refused to share power. Loss of kingdom in dice game. Using Shakuni's cunning, Duryodhan defeated the Pandavas in a rigged game of dice. As a result, they were exiled for 13 years, 12 years in the forest and 1 year in disguise. Failure of peace talks. After exile, the Pandavas humbly asked for just 5 villages. But Duryodhan arrogantly refused to give even a needle point of land. Ego way arrogance of Duryodhan. Duryodhan's pride, hatred towards the Pandavas, and Dhritarashtra's inability to stop him all led to the war. Bhagavad Gita Chapter 1 Shlok 1. Sanskrit. Dhritarashtra Uvach. Dharmakshetre Kurukshetre Samveta Yuyutsavah. Mamkaha Pandavaschaiv Kim Kurvat Sanjay. English essence. King Dhritarashtra, who is blind, asks his charioteer Sanjaya, O Sanjaya, in the sacred land of Kurukshetra, what did my sons and the sons of Pandu do after assembling for war? This shows his inner conflict and the beginning of the Gita. Here Dhritarashtra is the king of the Kauravas and Sanjaya is his charioteer. In this verse, a conversation takes place between the two. Shlok 2. Sanskrit. Sanjay Uvach. Drishtva tu Pandavanikam Vyudha Duryodhanstada. Acharya Mukh Sangame Raja Vachanma Bravit. Essence. Seeing the Pandav army arranged in formation, Duryodhan approached his teacher Dronacharya and spoke. He wasn't afraid, but he sensed the seriousness of the situation and sought advice. Here Duryodhan is the son of Dhritarashtra, and Dronacharya is Duryodhan's teacher. A conversation takes place between them about the Pandav army. Shlok 3. Pashyata Panduputranamacharya Mahiti Chamu. Vyudha Drupad Putren Tav Shishen Dhinta. Essence. Duryodhan respectfully tells Dronacharya to look at the mighty army of the Pandavas, organized skillfully by Dhrishtadyumna, the son of Drupad, who is ironically Drona's own student. He subtly questions Drona's loyalty. Here Duryodhan and Dronacharya are having a conversation about Drupad from the Pandav side, who is the father of Draupadi. Shlok 4. Atra Shura Maheshvasa Bhimarjun Samayudhi. Yuyudhano Viratashch Drupadashch Maharatha. Essence. Duryodhan lists the mighty warriors on the Pandav side: Bhima, Arjuna, Yuyudhana, Satyaki, Virata, and Drupad. Each one is a great chariot warrior, Maharthi, skilled in battle. Here Duryodhan and Dronacharya are discussing the valiant warriors on the Pandav side: Bhima, Arjuna, Drupad, Yuyudhana, i.e. Satyaki, a disciple of Krishna, and Virata, the king of Matsya, in whose kingdom the Pandavas lived during their incognito exile. They are all powerful warriors. Shlok 5. Dhrishtaketushche Kitanah Kashirajashch Viryavan. Purujit Kunti Bhojashch Shabyashch Narpungavah. Essence. Brave warriors who joined the Pandavas for dharma include Dhrishtaketu, king of Chedi; Chekitana, a brave Yadava. King of Kashi, a valorous ruler. Purujit ve Kunti Bhoja, Dharma-aligned princess. Shabya, a wise and noble elder king. The characters mentioned here are Dhrishtaketu, ruler of the Chedi kingdom and son of Shishupala. After Krishna slew Shishupala, Dhrishtaketu joined the war in support of the Pandavas and Dharma. Chekitana, a warrior from the Yadava clan and a close friend of Krishna. King of Kashi, the ruler of the Varanasi region. Purujit, brother of Kunti Bhoja, belonging to the royal lineage related to Kunti. Kunti Bhoja, the foster father of Kunti, the mother of the Pandavas. Shabya, a righteous and wise king. Duryodhan and Dronacharya are having a conversation about all these warriors. The next 5 shloks will be presented next Saturday. Thank you. To hear daily Bhagavad Gita shlokas with meaning, subscribe. If you liked this shloka, please like and share with your loved ones. Jai Shri Krishna.